Hello. In this video, I will introduce to you software that supports posting to 500 to 1000 groups on Facebook completely automatically, helping you advertise your products and services in the most effective way. To post effectively, we will have software that scans groups according to your industry's product keywords. For example, I will scan for the keyword American business community, and I will choose the number of groups I want to scan, 100 or 1000, depending on your preference. Do you see it on the screen? The software is already scanning for groups. After scanning the group, export it to Excel to filter quality groups to post in. OK, we will copy this group UID and paste it into the posting software. We will paste the UID of the groups here, then create your own content to post. Click on the Content Management section, select Add Content, enter the content with the image you want to post here and then save. Return to the Facebook group posting section, select Content. Once you have prepared the group UID and the content you want to post, you can set the activity parameters here. Choose the number of Facebook accounts running at the same time. Next is choose how many groups each Facebook account will post in, and how many posts each group will post. OK, that's it. Now load your Facebook accounts and click Start. You see, Facebook accounts are automatically logged in, and then go to the American Business Community groups to post automatically for you. Isn't that great? With this software, you can advertise your product simply. OK, please contact me via the information below in the description, or find out more information at the website phanmemmt.asia. See you again.